Hey Internet, Rob Cass here again with another video for you. This time we're going to be doing a taste test of Crystal Pepsi. Now, two things that should be mentioned. I have only a vague memory of what this tasted like because I was very, very young when this first came out. The other thing that may or may not influence my taste of this, oh that's weird, is that it's been, as of today, 2 months since the last time I had any kind of soda. I don't know if that's going to affect my flavor, my taste buds, my flavor buds, or not, I don't know. So Crystal Pepsi. It smells basically like Pepsi. Let's see here. So, I'm kind of scared. Okay. 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 So, it tastes like Pepsi. It's just clear. It tastes essentially like Pepsi. There's a little bit, very, very slight difference. It's not bad. If you like Pepsi, but you don't like things that are brown, first of all, that's racist. Secondly, go ahead and get some clear cola. If I had to rate it on a scale from 0 to 10, I guess I'd give it about a 7, maybe 8. I don't know. I'm a big fan of Pepsi. I like Pepsi over Coke. So the fact that this just tastes essentially like regular Pepsi, helps that. And in closing, thanks for watching.